the idea of progress. I mean, we're all working towards something, right? Always trying to measure how far we've come. But are we measuring the right things? I feel like we've all been there, stuck in that rut of just checking things off a list, especially at work, feeling super productive because you got so much done. But then you step back and you're like, wait, did any of that actually matter? Like, were we just focusing on the little things and missing the bigger picture? So instead of just how much we're getting done, what if we started looking at the value we're creating? And even more specifically, the value we're delivering to the customer. Now that's a little bit of a mind shift, but it can make all the difference. Let me paint you a picture, okay? Imagine a small software company. They're working on this brand new app, totally laser focused on hitting deadlines, pushing out new features. Sounds like progress, right? The problem is, they never stop to ask their users, like, what do you actually need? What problems are you trying to solve? So they end up with this super impressive app, technically speaking, but nobody wants to use it. All that work, all those deadlines met, but they failed to deliver any real value. Now flip the script. Same company, but this time, they bring the customers in from day one. They're getting feedback constantly, making changes based on what they hear, always asking, is this helpful? Are we solving the right problem? Now, this might mean slowing down a little, maybe pushing back a deadline or two. But in the end, they deliver an app that people actually want and need, something that truly makes a difference. Now, that's what I call progress. This doesn't mean we just throw deadlines out the window. It's about putting them in the right context. Like, are the tasks we're prioritizing actually going to deliver value to the customer? Are our deadlines aligned with creating something truly meaningful? Those are the questions we got to keep asking ourselves. So how do we actually apply this customer-centric thinking? Well, first off, never be afraid to ask for feedback. Ask your customers, your colleagues, whoever, what do you need? How can I improve this? And then really listen to what they have to say. You got to be flexible too. Sometimes the path to real value might take a few unexpected turns. Be open to changing course as long as it leads to a better outcome. This whole idea of measuring progress based on the value delivered. It sounds simple, but it can totally change the game. It's about impact, not just activity. And at the end of the day, isn't that what true success is all about? So think about it. What really matters in your work, in your life? Is it the number of emails you sent, lines of code you wrote, or is it the difference you're making for your customers, your colleagues, even your loved ones? Something to chew on. Until next time, keep seeking knowledge and keep applying common sense.